markets. Okay, let's start here. Okay, so with this dollar index, I want to continue to see this bearish pressure on this market, to be honest with you. We've had a false breakout of this structure and a break back in, but with the way the structure is forming in terms of the triple top of this double high, of this lower high, and then this continued break of the structural low with the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, I think we're going to have more momentum to the downside, okay? If we break this structure, then potentially we can continue to see the dollar pushing down and losing its strength. That being said, we'll take a look at UJ and see what's happening with that pair right now. Okay, so this was done off for daily, so let's remove this and this. Furthermore, let me just remove everything here. Here we can work this, and then the way I'm looking at this formation on this chart now is this structure here. So we've had this break of this structure to make a lower low, and now we're going through a phase in the market where, as you know, it's just doing nothing but moving sideways, okay? Pure confusion here at the moment. We've had strong bullish momentum to the upside with strong rejection from the pairs, okay? I still think we can see bearish pressure on this pair. If we do continue to see bearish pressure, where are we going to? We've kind of broken below the structural level here, and our next structural level will be potentially in and around these areas here, okay? So the range from here to here is going to be 85 pips with 25 pips to the upside, okay? And we can see it clearer now. So what I want to see from this pair, to be honest with you, on the lower time frames is how the structure is forming in terms of how to get into a sell opportunity. We've had this push to the upside, so this was the gap down, again indicating the sell pressure, okay? And then now we just had this phase in the market where prices folding over. Now, if I'm looking at this formation, what I potentially want to see with this happening is this area here, as we've spoken about, become an area where price is rolling over, and then finding some sort of resistance or lower high structure here to potentially see the market continue push back to the downside to around here, which is 81 pips. That being said, if we enter here, 16 pips. This looks interesting. Above the previous wick structure here. The price set now, and then once free risk reward ratio on this trade. This looks interesting. Yeah, I'm going to have a go at this one, you know. For some reason, I'm feeling it. The only problem is I'm entering late on this candle with this exhaustion. So we could have slight drawdown. This is not a signal, guys, but I do like this look at the setup. So I'm going to go for it and see how it goes. And this will be a what? This will be... So I got in at 109.674. Okay, fine, that's that then. Let's just see how this plays out. I'll just set an alarm here for if price comes all the way back up here. I'll set an alarm here so I know where around here for these rejection levels. Let's go right here. And then one here for my... Okay, that's me done.